In primetime news this evening, another extension. Parliamentarians debate continuing states of emergency. Out on bail, policemen convicted on manslaughter charges released on appeal. Cool it, lawmakers in conciliatory mood after last week's walkout.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Gray.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Vashon Brown has our preview.
Thank you so much, Janella. So the OUR has approved an overall increase in water rates. That essentially means come next year, you can expect to see an increase in your water bills. But by how much? I'll tell you later on in the business day.
Oh dear. From business, we go to sports. Jordan Fort is here to give us a preview of what's coming up. Jordan.
Well, maybe some better news, Herman. The West Indies are on a high after a convincing win over India in their second T20. But can they finish the job and win the series? We'll find out their thoughts on that question in Primetime Sports Tuesday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: how do you believe children with behavioral problems should be treated by the state?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.